Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can actually buy a domain name using Namecheap services. So first of all, I will need you to open any kind of browsers that you have on your PC. It doesn't matter which one you have, it will work for our video. So now I'm using the Google Chrome, so let's open Google and then from there write Namecheap. So just like so, you can open this page. So from here, let's open this on a new tab. So here it is, the website, and let's go back and search for domain name ideas, and here we go to domain name wheel, and let's search for animals, for example, or let's search for kitchen. Okay, let's go back, business name generator, and let's write kitchen. So here we go guys, here is some ideas for your website. So if for example you have kitchen website, you can pick domain names from here. So now let's for example choose this one and copy it. Now let's go back in the Namecheap website, and all you have to do is go in here and paste, and just simply paste, or sorry, just paste like the domain name. So let's copy it and paste it. Here we can click on search, and this page will be opened with fully options of domain names ideas. So there is the .net, there is some AI, there is DG, there is some, basically so many ideas. Of course there is some interesting ones which are like pretty much expensive, like the .net one, which is 1k 16.99. There is some basically 200, there is some 1k. Yeah, there is a lot of options, and you can pick whatever you'd like to use. Now for example, let's say we pick this .net one. What you have to do is go to add to cart, and from here we can click on view item or checkout. For us, if you want to add any option like SSL, WordPress hosting, web hosting, social media manager, premium DNS, anything from this option, you can just click on it and add it. For us, we don't need them, so let's keep it simple. Now let's click on checkout, and here we go. Here you can also add the stuff that I've told you before, but if you don't want to add them, you can keep it simple. You can keep it simple. Here you add a promo code if you have it, and here you can confirm your order. So right after you confirm your order, they will ask you to log in or create an account, and after that they will ask you to put your card information. Right after you do so, you will receive your domain instantly, not even in like 3 minutes. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually buy a website from Namecheap. So thank you guys for watching, see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.